Hey guys, I just got my telescope and ladder out for the year. I need to clean up my gutter, so I figured I'd do a quick review for you on it. I got it because I'm kind of a minimalistic person. I don't like to have like big bulky things sitting around. And this is something that does a really good job um, at being in my garage without taking a bunch of space, but serves the purpose of a big ladder when I need it, or a small ladder when I need it. So a couple of the quick features I want to show you is that when you put this thing away, it has this adjustable strap here with this clip to keep it down. So when you want to use it again, you simply unclip it, and that frees up the ladder itself. Right. So I'll flip it around, and I want to show you the other side. So these little clips here, these buttons that you can see, this is what keeps your telescopes for the ladder, what keeps them up. So this is what's going to support the weight and everything. So when you raise up your ladder, that's what holds it in place. When you are ready to lower it down, you have to carefully push both of these buttons, both at the same time. Keep your hand out of the way, because that's potentially a pinch point. So you don't want to have your hand there when you lower it, but push and it lowers. Push and they lower again. So again, so I'm getting ready to clean up my gutter, so I'm just going to raise it up. It's a little wet, so it's sticking a little bit, but raise it, raise it, raise it. And then you easily just walk it over. Guess I need to go one more. There we go. That should do it. Then you can set it up against your house or whatever you're doing. Again, when you're done, bring it out. Don't pinch your fingers. There we go. And then you'll take your strap, flip it back up, and put it away, and that's it. So it's a really cool product that I love having it around, and I do highly recommend it.